Hey bro, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and start receiving payment using Stripe, one of the most trusted online payment platforms in the world. Whether you are a freelancer, online store owner, or coach, Stripe can help you get paid fast. Let's get started. What is Stripe? Stripe is an online payment processor that allows you to accept credit card, debit card, and even bank payments. It works globally and integrates with platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and more. And you can use it on its own. Now, first of all, go to stripe.com and click on the first link and click on the first link, then click Stripe, scroll down and click Start Now. Enter your email here, then click Start Now. Enter your full name and create a password. Once you are in, Stripe will ask for your business information like website or social media if you don't have a site, industry, and bank account details so they can send you payouts. After setup, you will land on your dashboard. This is where This is where you will manage payments, customers, invoices, and more. If you don't have a website yet, Stripe lets you create simple payment link. From your dashboard, click on Payments, then click Payments link. Now click New, choose a product or service like that, or create a new one, add your price, description, and hit create link. Now you can share that link anywhere. On Instagram, email, or your bio, and people can pay you directly. If you have an online store or website, you can integrate Stripe easily. For Shopify, go to Shopify admin dashboard. Then go to Settings tab from your left sidebar. Then click Payments and choose Stripe or Shopify Payments, which uses Stripe behind the scenes. Click Choose a provider and search for Stripe. Then click Connect. For WordPress or WooCommerce, install the Stripe plugin, connect your account, and you are good to go. For Wix, Squarespace, or others, Stripe is often one of the default payment options. Just log in and connect. Easy, right? Stripe has a test mode, so you can try transactions before going live. Once everything's working, switch to live mode. Just when someone pays you, It shows up in your dashboard under Payments. Stripe sends payouts to your linked bank account usually within 2 to 3 business days. You can check your payout schedule under Settings, then Payouts or Billing. Like that. Stripe also has some powerful features. Invoicing. Send professional invoices directly from Stripe. Subscriptions. Perfect if you offer monthly memberships or recurring services. Tax and compliance automatically calculates taxes based on customer location. All of these built into your dashboard. No extra tools needed. So that's it. You are now ready to receive payments online using Stripe. It's secure, fast, and beginner friendly. Let me know in the comments what you are planning to sell or offer with Stripe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.